Explain what is meant by a transverse wave. Waves are transverse when the direction of oscillation of disturbance is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of energy. Explain what is meant by polarization. Polarization is the situation whereby the oscillations in the transverse wave is restricted to only one direction in the plane that is normal to the direction of propagation of energy. Explain why the heaps of dust are formed. So at the displacement empty nodes, as shown by the arrow, the wave has maximum amplitude and the sand is pushed sideways by the sound wave. At the displacement nodes, the wave is stationary and the heaps of sand settles here. Therefore, it creates heaps of sand at regular intervals. Calculate the speed of sound in the tube. The distance between adjacent heaps of tubes, that's the nodes, equals half a wavelength. So 2.5 wavelengths correspond to 39 centimeter. Hence the speed is 334 meter per second. What is meant by the speed calculated? A stationary wave is formed when two identical waves of the same amplitude, frequency and speed but traveling in opposite direction overlap with one another. In this setup, the incident wave and the refracted wave of the closed end of the tube superpose to form the stationary wave. The speed calculated is the wave of the incident and reflected wave. In other words, it is the speed of the sound wave in the tube.